What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. As I explained in our iOS 26.6 Beta 4 video, Apple had another double release date today, and we got iOS 27 Beta 3 as well. Let's take a quick look at this. I don't expect a lot of more features being done or added here at this point. Hopefully some more speed tweaks to Siri. We'll put it all through the test, talk about release dates and all of that. But first things first, let's jump into settings, general, and about. And if we go into iOS 27, you can see Beta 3 has an H build number with a full build number of 24A5380H. H signifies we are yet again moving in the right direction, luckily, but we are still a ways away from the full update being released to the public. Now, also, as you can see, something I didn't have, which is kind of all over the place since Beta 1, the indexing changed to now optimizing search in Siri. This didn't show up in Beta 2, but in Beta 1, we never finished actually indexing the device. But now here we are yet again starting to index and optimize search in Siri. You can see it says you can use your iPhone as you normally would. Indexing improves search, starting with your most recent data, and can take a while. Longer charging sessions help indexing go faster. This isn't too new from what we've seen recently, but I did just want to let you know this is now back for me. And if you guys experience those long delays with actually these indexing processes, not even possibly completing or completing a week or more later, we could be in for another issue here with iOS 27 Beta 3. Back into general and iPhone storage, this was getting destroyed last time. Let's see where we're at now. You can see we actually have a new prompt here to review downloaded media. Free up 63 megs of storage, review downloads, videos and audio files on your device, consider removing them. 63 megs is not big. Large attachments for 23 gigs through messaging is quite substantial, and that could be something worth visiting. But going down below, you can see iOS as a whole is now taking up 16.1 gigs for Apple Intelligence. iOS itself is at 16.14 gigs for a total size of 32.23 gigs. Pretty substantial. That is a large file size. It will be in flux per betas. Keep that in mind. And speaking of download sizes, that is one thing with this as well. This showed as almost a 15 gig download. However, yet again, that is having to be incorrect simply because this took not a lot of time from what we've seen historically to update at all. And then also, if we go down to system data, this is where I'm still getting crushed here. We are now at 46.81 gigs of purely system data. That does include, your cache, your logs, and other resources. This will always be in flux, but it is something I wanted you guys to be aware of nonetheless. Pretty substantial use of data here down below when you start looking at it. Not ideal at all. And I wanted to give it an extra second before I tested it, but the phone is still feeling warm while it's indexing. So let's go ahead and do our temp check and see where we're at. And you can see we are over 100 degrees on the middle of the phone and 104-ish, 105 at the plateau. That is still a lot less than what we were seeing on the air. If you missed that video, we were seeing 115 degrees or so. So not ideal, but this is definitely managing heat a lot better and already cooling down. Now, aside from that also, let's go back into general and about, and you can see here, modem firmware has changed here. We are at 2.09.00. A lot of people, myself including, we're seeing a lot of failed calls or call failed and simply clearing out and dropping calls. Wi-Fi was kind of on the flux. Here again, I'm kind of confused. I'm only at 2 bars. I'm right next to my router. In the same area, I usually do have 3 bars, and there you go. You can see it just kicked back in, so not sure what's going on with that. It could be worth monitoring. Now, let's jump into Siri and see how that's working right now and see if we have any changes in settings right after. So, let's try this out and see if it's any quicker. Let's actually start it from here. You can see we're still back to old Siri right now. Must be indexing and finishing that up as well. Let's take a quick look what's going on with that. So Siri, beta, nope, it's just not showing for some reason. This did happen in the last beta, so it's something to keep in mind and definitely check. I'm not seeing anything new here necessarily yet either. Visual intelligence was there from the last beta, app clips, app access. All that looks the same. I don't, though, however, see anything about the speed of the responses or anything like that in this beta anymore either. That is pretty interesting. I'm not sure if they moved that somewhere else, but something's definitely changed here in that regard, or Apple pulled it from this beta for some reason, which is pretty interesting. So, like we said, clearly we can't launch new Siri holding the button, but we do have the new Siri app. We did. Now it's not even coming back up. So something must be indexing on the back end to kind of cause these issues right now. Let me scroll to the end of all of this endless running list of apps. It's not even showing up for me, like it disappeared. So that is somewhat interesting. Okay, so it didn't show up, but it's still here. Let's try to search. And you can see new Siri is showing up, but at the bottom here instead of at the top. This is awesome. This is exactly why they're in betas. Definitely some issues here. 100%. Let's get out of there. Let's try this again. What time does the US play their soccer match today? Okay, so that was very quick. Who is the top scorer on the US soccer team? And we're not even getting a response here. So there is definitely something going on in this update, at least initially, off of Siri. Very interesting to see. Let's try to long press it. We're going to have to do more in our 48-hour follow-up. It could have obviously something to do with this optimization still for search in Siri. However, it shouldn't completely knock out the ability to use it or give us all of those responses like we were discussing. So something's definitely weird here. Again, this is why we do these reviews for you, so you can get it firsthand, and also so you know probably not to rush installing it. With iOS 27 Beta 2, we did have some issues with battery life. It was substantially better even than Beta 1, but obviously, as you can see here, we're dropping to 85% since this update started and we started this video. If we go to battery usage, you can see right now, it has kind of been all over the place over the last couple of days. I have used the phone quite a bit, but again, there is not a lot of great things to say just yet about battery life from Beta 1 and 2. One thing I do want to call out is just how substantially quick my battery health has dropped. My maximum capacity right now is only at 95% with 277 cycle counts, which on paper doesn't sound terrible. However, the issue is I was close to 99% at the beginning of some of these betas, and iOS 27 betas have wreaked havoc on my battery health, which comes with the territory, again, why they say don't put it on your primary devices if you can avoid it, because this is clearly not ideal. But aside from that, I'm going to go ahead and end this video here and try to do a deeper dive, see what's going on with Siri, and we will do a follow-up video once we kind of discover what's happening here. So before I end it though, let me just let you guys know, since it is July 6th here, what you can expect as far as a release date. We did get that double release today with 26.6 Beta 4 dropping and 27 Beta 3 dropping. I expect the RC for 26.6 to come on the 13th of July, with also on the 13th or 14th Beta 4 of iOS 27. If it is as bad as it's seeming right now, we could even get a re-release later in the week. Unlikely, but it is possible. Leave a comment down below. I'm just one person. This is only one device. How is the betas working for you? Are there any issues? Let me know. Thanks for watching, and we will catch you in the next one. Peace.